How is it?
It was good.
We have 6 eggs. Now I'm adding the garlic,
6 what now?
onion, some kale,
I cut this.
spinach. Christopher, you could have really cut up some more spinach.
I didn't know I was feeding the family this stuff. I was feeding myself.
Salt.
What heat is it?
So that's it.
And then
Water.
very sanitary, chef. Thanks. Wait, this is very important. Pour it from your right hand.
I'm sure.
I'm ready. Six See? That would have been it.
Yeah, I heard it. The top.
Looks, Mom, there's a piece of cheese under there. It's a very bad idea. Very good?
Oh, you did that nice. It's beautiful, right? And I finish it off in the oven.
It was good. It was actually really good.
What? What do you mean it's actually really good?
It was good. I didn't expect it to taste like that.
What? Why?
Because I haven't had like an omelet in a while. You want to try some?
I will after.
Because I'll eat the whole thing, so you better like... You were taking too long, I'm just going to eat it.